Okay, today I'll show you how to download and install Windows 10 from Windows 7. First of all, you need to download Word file. It's quite big, more than nearly 6 gigabytes, so it may take you around 20 minutes to finish downloading. Just click on download anyway after you get the link, right? Like this. You see, download anyway, right? After you click on the link in my description, on this below, in the file below, in the description below this clip, you see a link like this up here, and you see it's download anyway, and click on it, and then save the file to the hard disk, D or E, not C, right? Remember to do not save it on desktop or C drive C. I save it on drive E and new folder. So all the sub. There are two sub. One key GOS and GOS file. This is two important files to do it. Also, I give the link to download one key GOS in the description below. Now you got two files, compressed file in the, and I have downloaded here so that I no need to wait 20 minutes, right? Now you track one file after another, and you get one key GOS set up, and the other file that is Windows 10 GOS. Remember, this is 64, not 32 CH. No, please see another video. This file is for 64 system, right? Now you see, you can after extract bring back this setup file. Yeah, one key GOS setup files here. Yes, just like this. After you extract the file, you got this. Double click on it and just open the window like this. Choose restore. That's important. Restore. Remember. And the second step, you need to choose open. Open the Word file. That's correct. Just browse to the directory. Just you save the file. That is the Word file, right? And third step, click on C. This is very important. Remember, choose C because it's system. This, right? Now click Z and wait to computer to reboot and to do its job. It may take around 15 or 20 minutes to install a system, right? After that, you will have a Windows 10 and just enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more and more tips and free soft download without passwords.